In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a repeat grid to individual elements in Adobe XD. If you've been using repeat grid to quickly lay out repeating items like cards, list rows, or galleries, there often comes a moment when you need to break that grid apart so each item can be customized on its own. That's exactly what we'll do, and it only takes a couple of clear steps. First, select the repeat grid on your artboard. Click directly on the grid object itself, not on a single text box or image inside it. You'll know you've got the entire grid selected when the whole collection highlights as one unit, often with the familiar handles that let you repeat horizontally or vertically. If you click and find that only one item is active or your text cursor appears, press Escape once or twice to climb back up to the parent selection until the whole grid is selected. Next, look to the Property Inspector on the right side of the interface and click the Ungroup Grid button. This is the official way to convert a repeat grid back into normal grouped elements. As Adobe's documentation puts it, Ungroup Grid switches you from the special repeat grid behavior to standard grouped objects. The moment you do this, the repeating handles disappear, and each repeated item becomes its own group that you can move, style, and edit independently. If you clicked Ungroup by accident, simply undo immediately to restore the grid's live behavior. With the grid now ungrouped, you can edit individual items. Double-click into any former grid cell or select an item directly and change whatever you need: text content and formatting, images, colors, borders, shadows, spacing, or position. Each item is no longer linked to the others, so changes you make to one will not sync across the set. That's the key advantage at this stage: complete creative freedom to make unique variations, while preserving the layout established by the original grid. A few quick pointers as you refine. Because each item is a group, use the Layers panel and group names to stay organized as your design grows more detailed. Keep an eye on alignment and spacing when you customize individual items so the overall rhythm of your layout remains polished. And remember, if you need the repeat grid behavior again, you'll have to recreate a new grid from one of your items, since ungrouping isn't a persistent toggle. That's it. Select the grid, ungroup it, and start customizing each item to your exact needs.